Determine the x values where the graph of the function below has horizontal tangent lines, if any. So we have f of x is equal to negative 4 divided by the quantity x squared plus 4. We can rewrite this as negative 4 times x squared plus 4 raised to the negative first power. This way, when we calculate the derivative, we can use the power rule and chain rule instead of the quotient rule. In other words, it's a little less work. So let's actually figure out what f prime of x is going to be. It's going to be negative 4 times negative 1, which is positive 4, times x squared plus 4 raised to the negative second power, because negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. And then we need to multiply by the derivative of what is inside of the parentheses by the chain rule. And that's going to be 2x. And then we can rewrite f prime of x as 8x divided by x squared plus 4 raised to the second power. So that's what f prime of x is. And in order to have horizontal tangent lines, the slope or the derivative at the x values must be equal to 0. So we can set f prime of x equal to 0, 8x divided by x squared plus 4 raised to the second power. And then we're only going to get a value of 0 or critical numbers when the numerator is equal to 0. In this scenario, we actually do not need to worry about the denominator because we're squaring whatever x value it is. Say it's negative 1, we're squaring it, it's positive 1, then we're adding 4, and then we're squaring that. So you're always going to have a positive value in the denominator, so we don't need to worry about it when figuring out the x values that produce horizontal tangents. Instead, we just set the numerator equal to 0, because 0 divided by anything is 0. So 8x is equal to 0, therefore x is going to be 0, or answer choice A.